result day that Delhi awaits. Now, ahead of the Delhi Assembly election result, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have now claimed that the BJP leaders reached out to 16 AAP candidates and offered them 15 crore rupees with ministerial berths at the same time. BJP has rejected the charge, accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of panicking post-voting in Delhi. BJP has also said that they will take legal action if these allegations are not withdrawn. This, in fact, comes after some exit polls have indicated an edge for the BJP in Delhi itself. Let's first listen in to what Sanjay Singh had to say on this very matter first.
देखिए, हमारे 7 ऐसे विधायक जो आम आदमी पार्टी के सिंबल पे चुनाव लड़े, उनको संपर्क किया गया, 15-15 करोड़ रुपए का ऑफर दिया गया और ऑपरेशन लोटस चला के तोड़फोड़ करके दिल्ली में चुनाव का परिणाम आने से पहले भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये खेल करना शुरू कर चुकी है। हमने अपने विधायकों को साफ तौर पे कहा है, जो भी ऐसी कॉल आए उसको रिकॉर्ड कीजिए, जो भी ऐसे लोग आपसे मिलने के लिए आए उनका वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग कीजिए हिडन कैमरा लगा के, और इसके पूरे साक्ष्य हम मीडिया के सामने, देश के सामने रखेंगे। दिक्कत क्या है कि बीजेपी ये सोचती है कि वो हर राज्य में इसी तरह का हथकंडा अपना के चुनाव जीते ना जीते सरकार बना लेगी।
With that, let me cut across to our colleague Yash Goyal, who's joining us on the very broadcast to bring us more details. But before that, let me just finish off with the details we have so far. That is the allegations by the Aam Aadmi Party coming in after certain exit polls indicated the edge for the BJP in the national capital. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal has also come up with a tweet on his platform X. Let's take you through that. He has said some agencies are showing that the Gali Galoj Party is getting more than 55 seats in the last 2 hours. 16 of our candidates have received calls that if they leave Aam Aadmi Party and join their party, they will make them ministers and will give rupees 15 crore to each of them. If their party is getting more than 55 seats, what is the need for them to call our candidates? Obviously, these fake surveys have been conducted with the sole purpose of creating this atmosphere to break candidates, but not a single person will break. Let us take you through one more response on this very matter before we move on to our colleague.
देखिए, संजय सिंह जिस प्रकार का बयान दे रहे हैं वो निहायत ही घटिया बयान है और ये आम आदमी पार्टी की राजनीतिक नौटंकी बाजी है। अब जब उनको दिखाई दे रहा है कि दिल्ली से वो बेदखल हो रहे हैं, तो वो इस तरीके के अनर्गल आरोप लगा करके अब दिल्ली के साथ जो 10 साल उन्होंने दुर्दशा की उसकी जिम्मेदारी से बचना चाहते हैं। लेकिन दिल्ली की जनता अरविंद केजरीवाल को और आम आदमी पार्टी को और उसके नेताओं को कभी भी माफ नहीं करेगी। 8 तारीख को भारतीय जनता पार्टी की प्रचंड बहुमत की सरकार बनने जा रही है।
Well, with that, let's cut across to Yash at this point now. Yash, a very good morning to you. Very firstly, help us understand, this seems like, again, allegations and counter-allegations coming into play right on the eve of result day, something we had also seen on the eve of the very poll date itself, and now this is the particular allegation being leveled by Aam Aadmi Party leaders. What details are we getting from the ground?
So, Shreya, the details are very clear that the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, in fact, the top brass, top guns of the Aam Aadmi Party, including Arvind Kejriwal, Sanjay Singh, they have all alleged that 16 of their leaders, incumbent MLAs who are fighting these elections also this time around, have been, an attempt to poach them has been made by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and they clearly and categorically say that what they've been offered is, there are 2 things. The first thing which the AAP leaders have been offered is 15 crore rupees, and second is a ministerial berth when the BJP comes to the power. And in fact, BJP on the other hand, they have refuted these claims categorically, and they said these are all claims, and the Aam Aadmi Party is panicking post the voting and also post the exit polls. So that is why the BJP says these are the false allegations which are being put against the Bharatiya Janata Party, and BJP has made it very clear that they are going to take a legal route in this matter in case the Aam Aadmi Party doesn't withdraw these statements.